Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Catch Me Up for notification summaries on your Motorola Razr Fold. So, if you want to use it, then first, what we're going to do is we're going to check our notifications. So as you guys can see, there's not a lot of notifications, and it pretty much works when you have a lot more notifications. And this will basically go over and summarize all of your notifications, and then you'll see the generated summary. You can also go over into Moto AI, and here you have Update Me. As you guys can see, here we have the summarize your notifications, and it's the same as Catch Me Up. We're going to click summarize notifications and click here, click try it now, and here we have it. So as you guys can see, you're all caught up on personal communication notifications. So there's not a lot we can do with those notifications because we only get no SIM found, and Solder Classic is blowing up, and also Google Contacts, which is a silent notification. So not a lot. Of course, you can summarize them here, and as you guys can see, we are updated. We can easily just do that. Now it will work offline too. So of course it works online, but it also works offline. So that way you can get the generated summary of your notification that piled up, and you can see how it all looks like. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.